All aboard!
Now, your train leaves in 10 minutes. There's your ticket. Stick to it, Harry. That's very important. Stick to your ticket.
But Hagrid, there must be a mistake. This is platform 9 3/4. There's no such thing. Is there?
I'm Ron, by the way. Ron Weasley.
I'm Harry Potter.
Anything off the trolley, dears?
We'll take the lot.
You're Harry Potter. I'm Hermione Granger.
Tickets, please!
Well, you coming?
I am the king of the North Pole! The first gift of Christmas!
One thing about trains. It doesn't matter where they're going. What matters is deciding to get on.
Roof that regulator. We need to make a lot of time up on that straight. Ooh, got a bang road here. Better ease her down. Link her right, lad. Being early in the station is as bad as being late. Right, let's wait for a dummy signal. We can cook us grub without the shed governor seeing us. All right, chap. The Bobby's given us a clear signal. Wind her out, let's go. Ready on the footplate. Best wind her out if we're going to make our schedule.
Come rain or shine, we deliver on time. Keep your eyes peeled now. There's bandits in those hills. When you're riding the General, you're on the fastest train in the South. All aboard the Western and Atlantic. Corral them horses. We've got a schedule to keep. Throttle up, Buster. Let's roll.
Copy that. Keep 'em rolling. Out. Dispatcher, we're on the move. Over. Roger that. Have a good run. Out. Dispatcher here. Clear ahead. Over. Copy that. Making good time. Hold your position. Over. Understood. Holding for green boards. Out. Ready to roll, dispatcher. Can I get to the main line? Negative. Hold your position. Out. Dispatcher here. Take the green. Over. Roger that. Green boards. Out. This is the dispatcher. Stand by for track orders. Over. Copy. Out. Dispatcher here. Stand by. Over. Copy. Out. Dispatcher here. You're clear to pull. Over. Roger that. Out. This is the dispatcher. You have a clear track. Over. Okay. Out. You're clear ahead. Dispatcher over. Acknowledged. Out. You have a clear track. Dispatcher over. Appreciate it. Out.
That's what I'm talking about. We're on the move. Folks are counting on us. We gotta keep this train moving. More steam! More steam! Let's hobble all the way there! Hey there, buddy! This train is ready to move. We're burning daylight, partner. Let's roll. Jump and Jehoshaphat. Let's get a move on!
It's all in a day's crime fighting. I'm Batman. That's Commissioner Gordon calling. Didn't I tell you crime doesn't pay? To the Batcave.
I am vengeance. I am the night. I am Batman. That's Commissioner Gordon calling. Next stop, Gotham City. I'm Batman. I've come too far to turn back now. It's a fine line between justice and payback.
If you're not infected, we're here to rescue you. Let's get these folks to shelter, now. Quick, get on board! The zombies are coming! This is a response and rescue unit. Evacuate now. We gotta get these zombies to the lab. We can't wait any longer. Get on board!
Attention. This is the emergency broadcast system. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please listen closely if you're not infected. I'm the conductor of the response and rescue unit. Tomorrow we'll be riding the rails looking for survivors. Be on the lookout for our yellow locomotive. Our mission is to transport you, your family, and as many non-infected people we can find to the coast. There you'll find safety and shelter. Do not be alarmed by the zombie containment car in our train. These poor souls will be going back to our lab, where we're working on an antidote. This is the emergency broadcast system. Monitor this frequency for further directives. And don't give up.
May survival be in your favor.